when I was 12. Okay, we we all went to Kannada Municipal School. It was most elegant school, एक भलो school. Elegant माने कौन? Not the kind of a municipal schools we have today. Don't forget that Maharaja of Mysore, okay, himself took a special interest in the school. See no interest, Maharaja of Mysore. All the teachers, with rare exceptions, were excellent. माने exception माने केते जन को छाड़ी गिरी, rare exception, जने भी जन को छाड़ी गिरी. सबू थी, in all organization you will get all of these teachers good teachers. Okay. One to maybe, yeah. Rare exception were excellent. बहुत बढ़िया teachers थे. All our younger days were completely wrapped up in the experiences we had at school. Huh? All our younger days were completely wrapped up. Huh? Okay, because when he was young, he was reading in that school. And his experience, okay, huh? His experience, okay, younger days, all our younger days were completely wrapped up in the experiences we had school. Okay, that means in his younger days, most of the time he was giving in the school. So most of his experience are in the school. Okay, were in the school. Wrapped up मैंने कौन? Cover it. The teachers having to pass an examination. It is a कहूची. The teachers विषय teachers ଥିଲେ having to pass an examination, what you have to do. All this they have not told. एटा सेतिପାଇଁ से dot मार देछि. Okay, just तार मने पडुछि. Every child dreads माने डरू थिला. The presence of a teacher, but I had a particularly nasty one. Okay, huh? Achha. Every child dreads the presence of a teacher, but I had a particularly nasty one. मु डर नथि. Okay, nasty माने खराब. से कोजन ताऊ खराब. ହେଲା. Being an arithmetic teacher, I don't think he had any sense of compassion, pity. Okay, नहीं. से कहूचे every child dreads the presence of a teacher. समस्त टीचर को डरुथिले. But I had a particularly nasty one. Nasty one माने मोर बेसी माने बेसी टिके ये थिले कोन खराब टीचर थिले. बुझबत ना नहीं. बेसी टिके स्ट्रांग टीचर थिले. Okay, से एया कहूची, right? So being an arithmetic teacher, I don't think he had any sense of compassion, pity. Arithmetic teacher, math teacher मानकर compassion न थाए. Okay, compassion माने kindness न थाए. Okay, kindness, pity न थाए. He was only committed to his arithmetic. से खाली arithmetic करेबे केमती. Committed to माने कामटा केमती committed to माने भल से करेबे. Committed to. Commit करछि. मु जण को कथा देछि. Commit करछि. He was committed to arithmetic. He was committed how to do arithmetic. Understood? हाँ आसो. हाँ ओके. नानी मत डाकिले फोन कले हाँ हाँ Somebody has 3 mangoes, someone has 4, together how much? से पचारला question. Somebody has 3 mangoes, someone has 4, together how much? This simple thing we could not get the hand of. Okay? We could have, but he was such a formidable character, formidable, fearsome. And एते डर जे ताकू हमें एते डर जे formidable character. We felt that okay, even if you had got the right answer, काले भूले जो, we would be beaten anyway. Hey, ने भूले जो ने, we would be beaten anyway. हमें right answer पहले ही से बारी. So we mumbled, हमें mumble करो, हाँ, mumbled, मैंने पहले, and he twisted our ears, है हम पार्टी पिटेलु नहीं, he twisted our ears and shouted, से पार्टी, तेरे से कोई दिला है nasty one, बुझ पालू ना नहीं, अच्छा, he was a target of my caricature, तामने मुँह तांकु देखी करी caricature करे, मुँह तांकु फट्टा करे, है One day we had written the usual sum on the blackboard. Sorry, one day he had written the usual sum on the blackboard. Okay, माने से गोटे usual sum on the blackboard से लिखिले. कौन? ना Rama has 3 mangoes, Krishna has 4. इधर ला तंकरो usual sum. Okay. It was a simple sum, but quite beyond me. I thought he would not ask me. So I started hiding behind the others. Okay? I thought he would not ask me. So I thought I sat behind the others. Who, like me, were all sort of little boys. I started sketching. Okay? Sketching it looked very much like a tiger. Tiger के sketch करो. A man with a bristling moustache. Bristling moustache. Okay. So teeth and all that developed as the questions went on. Okay, question से कहता है मुंह मरो मरता है, a man with the bristling moustache, teeth and all that developed as the questions went. He was in the first row. Okay, I was in the last. I got involved in the caricature. Suddenly I felt a piercing pain in my left ear. मते काटिला. Piercing pain in my left ear. मैंने से मो काना मोड़ी चिता मैंने. I turned. This monster was twisting my ear for having drawn him. वो ताकू draw करती सार को मैंने से मते मोड़ी लेगी. He said, "So you have drawn me?" I said, "No, sir, I did not draw you." But he could recognize it. Through all that likeness to a tiger. He was a likeness to a tiger, like that. Okay. The man was that it was he. Of course, I was punished. That was the time I realized the part of caricature. I saw. I saw. My God, indeed, he does look like a tiger. Okay? He does look like a tiger. My attempt was not to draw a tiger, but I drew the face of a tiger subconsciously as an extension of the man's personality. तामने से जानी जानी करनी सबकॉन्शियसली हो गला and it became a tiger like. To me he was a tiger, and to me I was, because I was thinking him a tiger, so I wrote it like this was the drawing he made. Okay, from then on it almost became a hobby for me to liken human figures to inanimate objects or animals. तो तापर से कौन कले ह्यूमन फिगर टाकू हैला ह्यूमन फिगर आउ एनिमल मिसई करी ड्राइंग कले ओके इनएनिमेट ऑब्जेक्ट्स ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स एंड एनिमल्स इनएनिमेट कले बदन नहीं हैं नॉन लिविंग टू इनएनिमेट ऑब्जेक्ट्स ओके टू नॉन लिविंग ऑब्जेक्ट्स एंड एनिमल्स संगरे से ताकू मिसई करी गोटे लोकर फेस करने बुझबन. You might ask what it is that relates things or creatures to personality. Okay. Huh? I used to stand and watch the city boss. It always looked like someone I knew. Huh? City boss is janko mu dekhe. People spilling out of the boss began to take the shape of a giraffe or a monkey. Okay, जोड़ा boss रू बाहर थे और a looking like a take the shape of a giraffe. ताकू देखा हो गया giraffe ये डेंगाटे यही लोग को यही पिला 12 years से तक पिला है ताकू giraffe बाहर देखा हो गया और a monkey और a Cadillac माने large expensive car है ना और हाँ एक कैडिलैक सॉरी ये लिखला एटा सॉरी जाई अरे मंकी अरे कहूतला डॉट डॉट आ कहनी हैला हां एक कैडिलैक बिलोंगिंग टू वन ऑफ द महाराजास ऑफ मैसूर व्हिच यूज्ड टू स्टैंड इन द पोर्ट नेक्स्ट डोर ओके हैं मींस सेटा छिडा हैला जण को बाहर स्टैंड इन द पोर्ट ऑफ द नेक्स्ट डोर ओके कैडिलैक भलिया भी ताको देखा होतला लोक पूरा बुझिला अच्छा टू मी इट लुक लाइक ए प्रिंस अच्छा એટલે તો કોડ નહીં कैडिलैक टा ताको प्रिंस देखा बुझबो हैं देयर इज ए पर्सनालिटी दैट गेट्स रॉब्ड ऑफ onto inanimate objects okay it's a personality that gets robbed off onto inanimate object. से inanimate object भी personality देउथलो जे जोड़ा हमरो जिंस गुडा को भी ये पर्सन भलिया देखा जाउछ बुझबो तो तंगे जेमिति कि कैडिलैक ता को देखा गला प्रिंस बुझबो इवन टुडे आई फील दैट आई गॉट नथिंग आउट ऑफ 2 + 2 - 1 but I gained something invaluable that day in the classroom. Even today I feel that I got nothing out of 2 + 2 - 1. Yeah. But I gained something invaluable that day. नहीं से 2 + 2 करिकरी से किसी पाई ना हाँ 2 + 4 - 1 केते 2 + 4 5 पाठ पढ़ी एड़ा पढ़ी से किसी पाई ना ओके दैट आई गॉट नथिंग से डॉक्टर ही बनना इंजीनियर ही बनना मे बी ही हैज बीन ए कार्टूनिस्ट बुझबत नहीं हां मे बी तेनो बट आई गेन समथिंग इनवैल्यूएबल दैट डे से टीचर को मुझे ड्राइंग करथिली सेथरे मु जानिली व्हाट इज ड्राइंग तेनो आई गॉट समथिंग इनवैल्यूएबल जोटा को वैल्यू दे हबनी जहा को अमूल्य उसे दिन पाई इन द क्लासरूम ड्राइंग टा करके मु सिखी गली बुझपत ना हां आई विल गेट मु जानि ने एटा कोन मु जस्ट आई वांट टू टेल मैंने गेस करती बुझबो हां या है तो I will tell you of another incident that is connected with the art of caricature. The art I have chosen is one which robs everyone on the wrong side. Okay, robs everyone on the wrong side. समस्ते एटा को wrong समस्ते को देखी खराब है बुझते कि robs everyone on the wrong side. समस्ते तो ऊपर वो कैरिकेचर कली आमने तते नेगिरी नेगेटिव साइड रे पके देली एटा भल लोक ना बुझते नहीं हैं so robs everyone on the wrong side नहीं पको not in the right side है from the prime minister to the policeman from the president to the priest they are all radical समस्त को मु है तांकर फन करते है फन माने समस्त मजा करते छोटा है वेरी गुड that is my profession yes it is actually our profession so long as it is about others people like it ନିଜର ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆସିବ ସିଏ ରାଗିବ ଅନ୍ୟର ଇଏ ଦେଖିବାକୁ ହେଲା ମଜା ଲାଗିବ ଏ କେମିତି ଦେଖାଯାଉଛି ଏ ବୁଝିଲେ ନିଜ କଥା ହେଲା it was my sister's wedding a very big affair ହେଲା ବଢିଆ କିରି ହେଲା in the south ହେଲା the one who is very important at the time of the wedding is the cook ଯେତେବେଳେ ବହୁତ important ଲୋକ ମାନେ cook ଟାକୁ କହନ୍ତି ବୁଝିପାରୁଛ ସାଉଥ he was treated like a prince because the entire reputation of the wedding depended on this man's cooking ହେଲା ମାନେ ସେ ମ୍ୟାନ୍ ଟା ଭଲ ରାନ୍ଧିଲେ ସିନା ସମସ୍ତେ ଖୁସି ହେବେ ତେଣୁ ତାକୁ ପ୍ରିନ୍ସ ଭଳିଆ ଭାବନ୍ତି ଲୋକ ହେଲା ସାଉଥ ରେ so that day when he came there was a general cry he has come okay ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେ ଆସିଲା ପ୍ରିଷ୍ଟା ଏ ପ୍ରିଷ୍ଟା କହୁଛି ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେ କୁକଟା ଆସିଲା କହିଲେ he has come people who never stood up for anyone also stood up ତାକୁ ଦେଖି ସବୁ ଛିଡା ହେଲେ କୁକ ଆସିଲା how to entertain him to offer coffee to him is just not done because he is the one who makes excellent coffee discussions began ମାନେ ସେ excellent coffee करे बोली ତାକୁ ଆମେ दिया हलानी माने ताको दिया हलानी कॉपी ऑफर करा हलानी because he was now treated as a prince right discussions began everyone hung upon his words hela what do you want he asked hela we don't have to tell you what we want you know the best you know best है कि नहीं हां से पचाला कौन चाहूँ तो तमें तो एम कहले तमें तो सब कर that pleased him after an hour he said I want this much rice this much ghee and this much this while all this was happening I was in the corner of the room sketching से कौन करते स्केच करते as usual यही लोकटा because I was a compulsive sketcher माने मत तो भल लगे स्केचर करिया मु ऑटोमेटिक स्केच करी देगी हैला राइट फ्रॉम द एज ऑफ 3 ए 3 वर्ष रहितले मु स्केच करती हैला while I was sketching I was listening to the conversation कारण कथा सुनुतली it seemed like they were ordering enormous quantities of food but in those days everything was so cheap हैला हां so into cheap thila discussion ended he was about to go when someone said you can't live without coffee discussion ended सेटा काम करिया जीवो he was about to go सेटा काम करिया जीवो हला someone said you can't live without coffee पीनो ठीक जा of course it won't be good but we will be highly honored okay से लोग पुणी कहूँ तू कॉफी पी जीवु it won't be good कॉफी हला हैं हला हैं तो से जो it won't be good कॉफी पीले तो कॉफी टा कौन भल ये बोली नहीं but it will be highly honored but will be highly honored. हमको टिके भल लगे अपन फील. So he sat on. So बसला. Everybody was relaxed. To get the man himself was difficult, but to get the man to sit down and have coffee. Hello? To get the man himself was difficult, but to get the man to sit down and have coffee. At that time, one of my cousins, okay, saw my caricature and began to giggle. She hosila giggle. Huh? Huh? Okay. It is called Likla. To get the man himself was difficult, but to get the man to sit down and have coffee. Huh? तामने गोटे लोकटे छिड़ा है गॉट द मैन हिमसेल्फ वाज डिफिकल्ट कॉफी पिला ने से रहइबो ना नहीं कॉफी पीबो दो गड़ से रहलो किछ समय बचियो हा ते हसिला the laughter spread like wildfire समस्त आड़े मेरा हसिला ने मत जोर everyone wanted to have a look at the sketch हला समस्त देखि हसिला दितल देखि समस्त the group started moving towards me behind the pillar वो पिलर पछर थिली हैला समस्त पद आसी the man found that his circle had diminished हां the man माने जो कूपटा ता पाखरे लोक गुडा बसथिले ता जो चारि पाखे जो सर्कल करी बसथिले सेटा कमी गेला सब लोक मो पाखु बोलाइसिले what is it he asked हां good humoredly सेटे फटारे कहला कोन सेटा देखिया everybody thought it was a good likeness, but good likeness. But he took one look and fell grimly silent. I am not going to cook for this marriage. He said and began to make his way out. सब बिगाड़ दिले हैला ये अत्तर जे सब बिगाड़ देला मेंबर्स ऑफ द फैमिली सीनियर आईसीएस ऑफिसर्स एंड अदर्स इन हाई गवर्नमेंट पोस्ट तो थिले रान आफ्टर हिम ता पछे पछे गले आगे आगे कि सुनो छुआटा टे भूल कर दी हैला हैं आ टिके छुआटा भूल कर दी छोटो पिलाटा कर गला हैला यू हैव कॉल्ड मी हियर टू इंसल्ट मी ए कहूसी मते टी डाकिलो मते रबिया को चिड़े he said I have cooked for the महाराजा महाराजा भाई मु कुक करती I have cooked for सुप्रीम कोर्ट जज कुक करती समता भाई मते इनके अपमान करना I have cooked for so and so बुझल हैं but never have been insulted like this goodbye मु जाऊ चलिया हैला हैं थैंक यू हां गुड बाय थैंक यू कहि से बा and he stormed out माने हैला walked angrily then a very clever uncle was called upon to woo him back ताकू मने woo him back माने ताकू मने बाकू दिए जणकू दरकार clever uncle बुझतो तो how he did it is another story हेटा आउट स्टोरी हो से ताकू केनी मनेले कोन कहिगिरी तते एसा देवी पान देवी बीडी देवी हैला कहिगिरी मनेले हेटा एक आउट स्टोरी हे जो ताकू हैला इट देई you might think I was roundly scolded for this major catastrophe हमें भाबियो जे मते समस्त चारियाडे उसकी गाड़ी देथियो निश्चित for this major catastrophe ये catastrophe माने disaster जो मैं कहली I was not मते केही गाड़ी देलेनी my family always supported me मते कहले बढ़िया ड्राइंग करू तू I don't know why as an enlightened family enlightened माने ये knowledge सब काट पड़ी my parents neither encourage me nor discourage me मते के discourage भी करना है से दिन वाले अन्य का फैमिली के बर्थडे था हैला mercifully they left me alone मते से छाड़ी देले हैला मु भाभी जी डरी की पूरा मते काढी मते छाड़ी दे these same parents left me with a piece of chalk at the age of 3 से माने मते chalk देथिले age of 3 रे जे ड्राइंग कर पुओ हैला He changed to a pencil at the age of 6 or 7. ड्रॉइंग नहीं गारेब देते पेंसिल देले दे केम कलर पेंसिल आटा केई तो जान नथिले से एक्चुअली से लर्न करथिला से स्कूल रे नहीं कि अच्छा दे केम देन केम कलर पेंसिल्स एंड पेंट बॉक्सेस सेडा भी देले हम आई एम ग्रेटफुल टू देम ओ सॉरी मु एटे कहले जे सेमान कहथिले करले नहीं सेमान कहले नोबडी इनकरेज मी नोबडी डिस्करेज भी की करना encourage भी की करना है ना I am grateful to them. See, safety by grateful because they are giving me pen and pencil and all. Every family gives pen and pencil. I am grateful to them, and they were very proud of me as I progressed from class to class. है तो ये जो वो ड्राइंग करथली जो कैरिकेचर करथली जो कार्टून बनौथली so they were proud of me. That is their greatness. Understood? So this chapter is over.